So walk me through, now we're gonna go specifically to game day. Okay, so everybody's probably, maybe not everybody, but tell us your game day ritual. Obviously, you wake up, and at some point you wake up at the hotel. I didn't realize you guys sleep at the hotel.
Yeah.
At some point you're meeting up with the team, and that time in between, if you could take us through your personal game day ritual, and then anything that you do, maybe specifically right before a game, or maybe that's with the team.
Yeah, no, game day, so I like to wake up pretty early on game day just because we had bed check the night before.
Mhm.
I think 10:30.
Got
so
it.
I'll wake up pretty early on game day, 7 a.m. Go down, eat a quick breakfast, and then I like to just hang out in my room, watch some YouTube. A lot of David Goggins, nothing in particular, but just kind of whatever. I don't have any really, I would call them rituals, but there's certain things I do that are just, I don't know, I just always do them. I try to get like a gallon of water. I try to drink a gallon of water before the game.
Oh, so you don't cramp
unless,
up?
Unless we're playing in a morning game or a noon game.
Yeah.
Then I usually don't have time to get a gallon in, but yeah, and then when we get to the field, the first thing I'll do, just put on my cleats, and then a lot of guys have rituals when they get to the field, like certain things they want to do.
Yeah.
Me, I'm not really like that. I just get to the field. One thing I always do, I'll put my cleats on and just jog, just a lap around the whole field, right when we get there.
Okay.
Just kind of, I don't know, just get my mind right. And then after that, just listening to music through my headphones, getting taped, getting dressed, everything, nothing unusual.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't have really any rituals. I guess I would say, like a lot of people do. But
yeah,
I just kind of go in there with my mind right and just prepare for a fight, I guess.
Got it. How early before the game, when you say right when you get there, you run a lap around the field. How early do you guys get there before actual game time?
Oh, we get there about 2 hours before the game.
And this is both away and home?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when you get there, the other team's also getting there?
Yeah, about the same time. Yeah, about the same time.
Gotcha. And then you guys just share the field. If you, like, when you're running that lap, or is the opposing team also kind of?
Usually there's some guys out there, but it's so early that nobody's really out there. Like
Okay.
The field's not really like split up yet for into like who gets this
Yes.
side and what. So it's just kind of like free reign at that point, just because it's so early.
Got it.
Yeah.
Here's a random question. How before the game, when you say split up the field, how much trash talking happens? Very little, or I mean, maybe it depends on the team.
I don't know actually, because a lot of guys like to go out there and throw the ball around, or ride the bike out there, the stationary bike, or just kind of just sit out there and just take everything in. But I'm usually one of the guys that's just in the locker room until they call my group to go warm up. I just in my locker, just with my headphones on, just in my zone. And it's funny, like you talk about boxing. Sometimes I will watch a little bit of boxing before, like Mike Tyson highlights.
Yeah.
Muhammad Ali, or just somebody inspirational like that.
Yeah.
Not that I need the inspiration, I guess, but it's like,
doesn't hurt.
I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't hurt, and it's like, it's also cool to just see how they took I guess what they would call game day.
Yeah.
In comparison to mine.
Yeah. I mean, when you watch the Olympics, I mean, I don't know about every single Olympian, but the ones that they'll show highlight, they all got headphones on, prepping their mind with music or positivity or whatever, right? I mean, I remember Michael Phelps would be in the zone, he'd have his straight face, headphones on, pacing, and I mean, not that he needed it, but it doesn't hurt, obviously, right?
Yeah, definitely not.
Yeah. Oh, very cool. Okay.